Welcome to Freedomfully, where we celebrate the journey of retirement together.
Since the dawn of time, humanity has shared an intimate and mystical relationship with the moon. Our ancestors planted their crops, timed their celebrations, and told their stories by the light of its ever-changing face. The moon, with its predictable yet magical cycle of waxing and waning, is a powerful symbol of the natural rhythms of life, of death, and of rebirth. For those of us in our retirement years, a time of profound personal cycles and transitions, aligning ourselves with the energy of the moon can be a beautiful and powerful way to find a sense of flow, of purpose, and of connection to the greater cosmos. Moon rituals are simple, intuitive practices that allow us to consciously work with the moon's energy, to release what no longer serves us, and to manifest what we wish to call into our lives. It is a practice of sacred intention, of deep listening, and of dancing with the beautiful cyclical nature of life itself. In this video, we will explore the gentle and empowering world of moon rituals and how they can help seniors to cultivate a life of greater flow and freedom. To begin working with moon rituals, we must first understand the two most powerful points in the lunar cycle: the new moon and the full moon. The new moon, which occurs when the moon is not visible in the sky, is a time of new beginnings. It is the dark, fertile soil of the psyche, a time for planting seeds of intention for the cycle ahead. The energy of the new moon is quiet, introspective, and full of potential. The full moon, which occurs about 2 weeks later, is a time of culmination, of illumination, and of release. The moon is at its brightest, shining a light on everything that has been growing since the new moon. It is a time to celebrate our progress, to acknowledge what has come to fruition, and to consciously release anything that is standing in the way of our growth. By creating simple rituals around these two potent lunar phases, we can create a beautiful rhythm of intention, action, and release in our lives. Let's start with the new moon. A new moon ritual is all about setting intentions. It's a time to get clear on what you want to create, to cultivate, and to call into your life in the coming month. Your new moon ritual can be as simple or as elaborate as you like. Find a quiet time on the evening of the new moon. You might want to create a sacred space by lighting a candle, burning some incense, or putting on some soft music. Take a few moments to quiet your mind, perhaps with a short meditation or some deep breathing. Then, take out your journal and a pen. At the top of the page, you might write, "My new moon intentions." Now, allow yourself to dream. What do you want to bring into your life in the next month? It could be something tangible, like finishing a creative project or planting a new garden bed. Or it could be something more internal, like cultivating more patience or practicing better self-care. Write down your intentions in the present tense, as if they have happened. For example, instead of writing, "I want to feel more peaceful," you would write, "I am peaceful and serene." This is a powerful way to signal to the universe that you are ready to receive these blessings. Once you have written your intentions, take a moment to read them aloud. Feel the energy of these intentions in your body. You might want to place your list on an altar or in a special place where you can see it throughout the month. This simple act of writing and speaking your intentions is a powerful way to plant the seeds of your desires in the fertile ground of the new moon. A full moon ritual, which you will do about 2 weeks later, has a very different energy. The full moon is a time for release and for gratitude. It's a time to let go of anything that is holding you back from realizing the intentions you set at the new moon. This could be a limiting belief, a negative thought pattern, a fear, or an unhealthy habit. A powerful full moon ritual is a fire ceremony. Again, find a quiet space on the evening of the full moon. On a small piece of paper, write down everything you are ready to release. Be specific. You might write, "I release the fear of judgment," or "I release the habit of self-criticism." Once you have written your list, you will safely burn the paper. You can do this in a fireproof bowl, a fireplace, or an outdoor fire pit. As you watch the paper burn, visualize the smoke carrying away everything you are releasing. Feel the sense of lightness and of freedom that comes with letting go. After your release ceremony, it is important to fill the space you have created with gratitude. Take another piece of paper and write down everything you are grateful for. You can be grateful for the progress you have made on your new moon intentions, for the blessings in your life, and for the simple beauty of the world around you. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for more good things to come into your life. Beyond these two key rituals, you can incorporate the energy of the moon into your life in many other simple and beautiful ways. You can create moon water by placing a jar of water outside under the light of the full moon. This water is believed to be charged with the moon's energy and can be used for drinking, for watering your plants, or for adding to a ritual bath. You can also work with crystals that are associated with the moon, such as selenite, moonstone, or clear quartz. You can place these crystals on your altar, meditate with them, or place them on your windowsill to be charged by the moonlight. Simply taking the time to go outside and gaze at the moon can be a powerful ritual in itself. As you look at the moon, allow yourself to feel a sense of connection to its ancient, cyclical wisdom. Feel yourself as a part of the great unfolding mystery of the cosmos. For seniors, aligning with the lunar cycles can be a particularly profound and comforting practice. The journey of aging is itself a cyclical process, a series of endings and of new beginnings. The moon reminds us that there is beauty and power in every phase of the cycle. It teaches us that the dark, quiet times of the new moon are just as important as the bright, expressive times of the full moon. It teaches us that letting go is a necessary and beautiful part of growth. In a world that often feels linear and relentless, the moon offers us a different model of time, a model that is circular, that is rhythmic, and that is deeply connected to the natural world. Working with moon rituals is a practice of remembering. It is a practice of remembering our connection to the earth, to the cosmos, and to the deep cyclical wisdom that resides within our own bodies and our own souls. It is a way to bring a sense of sacredness and of intention to our daily lives. It is a way to dance with the beautiful, ever-changing rhythms of life, and to find a sense of flow, of freedom, and of profound luminous peace. We invite you to look up at the sky, to feel the pull of the moon, and to begin your own beautiful dance with freedom fully.